Our wall lines are comprehensive, innovative, and can be developed to suit your business and manufacturing needs. From selecting one machine all the way through to creating a whole entire wall frame line, Spida will work alongside you. We provide expert and informed advice on what machinery best suits your requirements, from component nailers to snip saws, from a stud extruder to a raked wall extruder, from squaring tables to conveyors. You can update your existing frame line as a whole or one machine at a time. You'll experience increased production with the automation and save money compared to other systems. Our raked wall extruder, which is part of our frame line, is the beginning of the process of building wall frames and is a real game changer. It can produce both common walls and raking walls from the same machine. Powerful, fast, accurate, and simple to operate, making it a leader in the market.
Our customer was looking for a robust, cost-effective solution to increase their production to numbers the market is demanding and handle their double or triple shifts. The raked wall extruder and frame line were the solution. The production numbers are outstanding. Our customer wanted versatility and a way to do all their raking frames, as well as producing common walls when required. They're really happy with their decision to include the raked wall extruder and frame line into their production centre. Our customer wanted to partner with a reputable company who had local service and support. Spida provides this. Here at Spida, we demand the best of ourselves, and we've developed a partnership with our customer of innovation and purpose. They are impressed with the raked wall extruder because of the ease and functionality of the software, the cutting-edge technology and the solution being fit for their needs. As well as the numbers stacking up, our customer placed huge weighting on safety. We worked diligently to ensure the process for the raked wall extruder and frame line was the best it could be. Having it at perfect height to bring in large members, for example, minimises the fatigue the team experience. Also, having a machine do the heavy lifting rather than a worker is gold. Our customer is really pleased with their decision and can't wait to see what they can achieve with this kit in their production centre.
If you're looking to update your frame line for one that is powerful, fast, accurate, automated and simple to operate, then Spida can help you. Experience firsthand a solution which sees your production numbers increasing without labour having to. For all-round efficiency and reliability, choose Spida.